Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So I want to give out a shout out to subispeed for doing the giveaway this week. They sent out the package pretty quickly. I got it within 5 days of it being shipped, and I don't know if you guys know, but yeah, I won the factionfab coilovers for my STI, and I'm gonna put them on today. Yeah, so let's open it up and see how it looks. Alright guys, so I already opened it up. As you can see, these clean as coilovers. Oof. I'd like to thank them again for doing this giveaway. Never thought I would win, but you know. Also waiting on the wheels. There's an ETA for like 120 days. I'll order them, see how long it takes them to come in. Order them from subimods. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm just gonna lift up the car and take out the tires and start this whole process here of installing them. So yeah. Alright guys, so first you want to start with, I'm gonna take off loosen up the wheels really quick. Alright guys, so what I gotta do is tighten this down. It's at about 4 millimeters, the size of this wrench. So I have to get this between this and it should be good. So let me just start from scratch and make sure this is kind of loose. So I'm just gonna get it to where it touches it, and then I'm gonna tighten it down. I can't flex it no more. I'm pretty sure they already did it because everything looked like it was already set. Okay. Alright, so now you want to get this one and make sure it touches this one. And now you want to get one of these while holding this little one so it won't move. Ooh, forget. Just tighten it. I get about 4 millimeters of clearance. That's about good. And you just tighten this one. And you tie them against each other, like so. And that should be done. And then there. This shouldn't move anymore. And this should be good. Now as for ride height, I'm going to adjust these right now to about 50 millimeters, and then I'll adjust if I need to go lower. Just get my measuring tape. Alright guys, so I already put everything, made 50 millimeters each one. And if it's too low or too high, I'll adjust accordingly. But yeah, well now I'm gonna begin on the STI. Alright guys, I finished one side. Pretty simple install. I thought these bolts were gonna be hard, but quick. So yeah, now I just gotta tighten the top. And we're set. One down, 3 more to freaking go. Alright, I'll be back with the other update. Alright guys, I finally installed all the coilovers on the other side. And I lowered the car. Probably the max in the back, maxed it out, and in the front, I think I only did about, I put it under, I think 50 millimeters, so I dropped it like 1.5 inches, I think. I think I'm gonna leave it as it is. I was gonna try to adjust it or anything, but I think that's pretty low. I think that's the lowest I wanna go. I mean, the car already scrapes as it is. The mud flaps are pretty low, already probably 1.5 inches off the ground. But overall, I was able to keep the spacers and they don't rub, they don't do nothing. The car overall looks lower than what it was. And I'm very satisfied with the way it looks. Now I'm just waiting on wheels, like I said earlier. I ordered the wheels from Subimods and it's gonna take about, I said 120 days ETA, so about 3 or 4 or 5 months, I don't know. Oh well, I have patience on my side, so for now it looks really good. Looks a lot lower, feels better. I have this, I put the damping to stiff. I tried the soft, I feel like it bounces too much. But stiff, it just feels so good, right quality. It doesn't, I don't know, overall it feels good for some free coilovers from subispeed, which I like to thank again. But yeah, I was looking into some coilovers, but subispeed answered it for me. Got lucky, and at the same time, I was thinking of wheels, so it all just planned out perfectly. I don't know. So tell me what you guys think. Overall, it's pretty low. I don't know if I'm gonna go any lower. For now, it just looks really good. So yeah. Another thing I got from subispeed a while back was this spoiler right here. This carbon fiber lip. Sticks out and fits perfectly with the STI wing. It looks really good. It's another thing I love. The back now just sits so nicely. Yeah, everything carbon fiber. You already know. I got this lip on the spoiler, this, and then the APR license plate backing. I might get the diffuser carbon fiber, so we'll see. I'm still missing the carbon fiber little rear splats that I want to put right here. But overall, pretty happy with the car. It looks so nice. I love how you can modify these cars. Yep. And that grid speed banner on the top looks really good in red. with my silver car. Yeah. And the carbon fiber Cybon hood. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. Overall, I'm very happy. Looks really good. I just can't wait till I get the wheels. It's really gonna look really good. I'll be happy for a while until I get my. I really want that front bumper for the 2018 Plus. It just looks a lot better. And plus, I want to upgrade because I already jacked up this one, cracked it. It wasn't even lowered, and I cracked it. But yeah, that's next after the wheels. So yeah, I just don't want to order the subispeed one because, well, I might have to either way, but it's expensive as hell. So if anybody else knows anybody in the New Mexico area that's willing to sell me theirs 2018, let me know. Alright, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Sorry I couldn't record the whole process of the coilover install, but it's pretty simple. I mean, you can always look it up on YouTube. There's plenty of videos. I just wanted to show you guys the before and after. And yep, this car looks a lot better now. The stance is good. Ride quality is good. Well, yeah, let me know what you guys think. And if you have any questions of any products I have on the car, let me know. I'll catch you guys later. Later.